Hi everybody, I'm Shai from Photoland, and as you know, in my agency I sell photos and stuff and videos, so now we're talking about monetization videos, earning money from your videos. So now I use a system called Ramble. I upload videos to here and sell it and earn money from the videos. So I'm opening options for photographers now to go into it now and send me videos. And the way it works, I believe in giving to photographers, and they earn most of the money here. So photographers get 70% of the earnings, and in Photoland I'll get 30% is my for my work is I say I'll make 30% from each video. So what it leaves for the photographer is a nice amount of money. And this website is it's a passive income. So for you photographers, it's a passive income. For me, it's work. And the thing is, whenever I upload a video here, I'll use keywords and use all stuff I'm supposed to be able to earn money from these videos. You know, I can't promise that you'll earn money from videos or not, because it matters which clients like the videos and how much people watch the videos. But the thing is, whatever I see is, I'll show you the videos I have here, and you'll learn a little bit, give you an idea which videos earn money here. So I'll go to my account. I used to have more channels. I just put it into one channel. Okay, let's do visits, views. Okay, you see an animal, a parrot, and a tricycle. I might have here. He would talk in the video, so maybe puts down the views. Maybe I'll try to look for a program to make the parrots talk or stuff like that. As you see, is this animals in the sea. You see, earn $2. This is my video. This is my video. Okay, you see, the funny videos make a lot of money here. World of Wildlife, lemurs. If you have any videos of lemurs, send me, because it's doing good money. Because they're cute and people like watching them. And also, people like this video, they put it in the website, so you can see anything in bright dancing, okay? Giving some tips in photography. Is another one. This one I didn't earn money from. You know, you don't earn each one. It could be videos that you earn. Octopus, yes. You see lemurs. This made a small amount of money. That made a big amount of money. 70. You see. The thing is that you could send me videos, and I'll decide if it's good for this website. This one didn't earn money. That one earns money. It's crazy. You just send videos, and I'll take care of everything else. You'll make 70%, and I'll make 40%, and everybody's happy. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below the video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.